These filter files contain the complete Wake Notes mobile application, including the UI, theme system, dream management screen, analytics dashboard, and API integration. It allows users to create, edit, delete, search, filter, and analyze dream journal entries with a modern, dreamy interface. Next is the db.php. This PHP file establishes the database connection between the application and the MySQL database named journal_db. It's also configure chorus headers and JSON respond formatting for communication with the Flutter front end. So the next is add_dream.php. This PHP script receive dream data from the Flutter application and insert a new dream entry into the dream database table. It validate the dream text and return a JSON response indicating whether the operation was successful. Next is the delete_dream.php. This PHP file delete a specific dream entry from the database using its ID. It's returned a JSON response confirming whether the dream was successful remove. Next is the get_dream.php. This PHP script retrieve all the saved dreams from the database and return them as a JSON array. The records are ordered from newest to oldest, so recent dream appear first in the app. So the last code is update_dream.php. This PHP script update an existing dream entry in the database with new information provided by the Flutter application. It validates the required field and send a successful or error response in JSON format. So let's proceed to the app I created. This is the Wake Up Notes dashboard. First, select the plus new dream. Tapos, you can write what you want in that surface. Like, nagdamgo ko about sa paradise. And then, sa category, you can select normal, nightmare, loud, or everything. So, sa akin is normal. Tapos, sa mood naman, if you're happy, sad, scared, you can select also. And you can select also the date where you dream, what date you dream it, and you can write also the time, what time that was. I mean, you wake up, for example, 1:51 a.m. in the midnight. So, also you can add a hashtag down there in the last part. You can type like that. Mine is flying, and next is next is save the dream. So that is the outcome of your dream journal created. Before I end this, my name is Michaela M. Nevo, and thank you for watching.